Welcome, students. I, Harpal Singh, Senior Lecturer, Diet Soper, will be giving a presentation on branches of geography. This will be for the lecture series for geography for class 11th. As we know, that geography is an interdisciplinary subject of study, and the study of every subject is done on some kind of approach. In geography, we mainly follow two types of approaches. One is systematic approach and other is regional approach. First of all, we will discuss systematic approach. Systematic approach was concept given by Alexander von Humboldt. He was a German geographer. He said that a phenomena is studied as a whole over the world, and then identification of typologies or spatial pattern is done at regional level. Or for example, if we are interested in studying natural vegetation, then the vegetation all over the world will be studied first. After that, after we have studied the natural vegetation, then we will study the typologies such as equilateral rain, softwood, forest at a particular place. Then comes the regional approach. It was given by another German geographer. His name was Karl Ritter. In this approach, the world is divided into region at different hierarchical level, like districts, states, subcontinents, countries, and then all the geographical phenomena of a particular area are studied. These रीजन में भी नेचुरल रीजन्स हो सकते हैं, जैसे इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट हो गया या इक्वेटर फॉरेस्ट हो गए. देन पॉलिटिकल और designated region. Another concept in geography is dualism. There are two important aspects of geography. There are physical geography and other is human geography. Some scholars have laid emphasis on physical geography, and some geographers have given more importance to human geography. But both of them are important, as humans have also changed the geography through their cultural development. Now, branches of geography on systematic approach. We have two main subdisciplines in geographies on the based on systematic approach. These subdisciplines are physical geography, which is more tilted towards the natural science, and other is human geography, which is more related to social science. First of all, physical geography. Physical geography studies all the process and patterns that can occur, that can be considered natural on earth surface. And since it has been established in a science that the earth came into existence before humans, the physical environment is always studied first. Then there are constant interaction between people and environment, and between element of environment itself, and this is of the focus of physical geography. Its importance in growing daily with the different type of environmental issues that seems to be popping up day by day in the world we live in today. For example, water shortage, global warming, deforestation, tsunamis, and erosion. We study in physical geography also includes study of lithosphere, land, atmosphere, then hydrosphere, then biosphere. Environmental issues are also studied as a part of physical geography. So it is closely related to natural science like geomorphology, botany, zoology, etc. No, subfields are in physical geography. First of all, first field is geomorphology. Geomorphology is earth forms and structure. It is devoted study of landforms and their evolution and related studies. In this, we studies evolution of Himalayas, Aravallis, and Rockies, and others, and land as a landform as a whole. Then hydrology. In hydrology, we study all form of water underground, overground, and in the cloud. We will study about lakes, oceans, glaciers, etc. Then climatology. Study of long-term weather is called climate, and its effect on life. In climatology, we will study atmosphere, elements of weather, climate types, and regions, etc. Then biogeography. It is actually the interference between physical geography and human geography. It will be discussed later. Then pedology. It is also called as soil geography. It is the devoted study of the process of soil formation, type of soil, their fertility status, distribution, use, कौन से soil form में कौन सा plant grow करेगा, वो सब कुछ. Four viewpoints of physical geography. As I also I already told you, there are four main points. First is atmosphere. In atmosphere, we study about the climate, weather, composition of atmosphere, control of weather, temperature, pressure, etc. In lithosphere, we will study about landform, drainage, relief, and physiography. In hydrosphere, we will study about water bodies like lakes, oceans, glaciers, etc. In biosphere, we will study about life forms including human beings and microorganism and their sustaining mechanism. For example, हम food chains के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, ecological patterns के बारे में पढ़ेंगे और soil formations के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, ecological balance के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Then the other big topic in this comes the human geography. Human geography, which is the second subdiscipline, is of no less importance because essentially studies the people, culture, communities existing in the world with a view of understanding its effect on environment and vice versa. The scope of human geography is broader than physical geography, so it has numerous subfields. First of all is social or cultural geography. In this, we are trying to understand and describe the occurrence of various cultural groups with reference to the space. We study about society and cultural elements contributed by the society. Then second is economical or economic geography. We are studying about the relationship between the economic system and biophysical environment. We will study about the agriculture, industry, tourism, trade, transportation, infrastructure, extra in this. Historical geography, understanding the world history in terms of space and time. As we know that the historical process have change the geography as such, so the geographical feature also experience the temporal change, and these form the concerns for the historical geography. Then population geography. In this, we study cultural composition, growth, migration pattern as related to the nature of the place. We will study about population growth, distribution, density, sex ratio, literacy, migration, and occupational structures. Then political geography. In political geography, we will study about the political and government feature of the region. We will study about the neighboring political units, then delimitation of consequences, election scenarios, and develop theoretical framework to understand the political behavior of the population. Then another one is settlement geography. In this, we study about the characteristics of rural and urban population. And health or medical geography. In this, we study health and disease study across space and place. Then biogeography. It is actually the interference between the physical and human geography. दोनों इसमें ह्यूमन एंगल भी आ जाएगा और फिजिकल जो मतलब नेचुरल साइंस है वो भी आ जाएगी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इज प्लांट geography. It studies about the special pattern of natural vegetation in their habitat. हम इसमें fauna के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Fauna का then zoology, zoo geography. It is closely related. The plant geography is related to botany. Then zoo geography is related to zoology. In this, we study about the spatial pattern of animal and their habitat. इसमें हम fauna के बारे में पढ़ेंगे और plant geography में हम flora के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Ecology, scientific study of habitats, characteristics of species. Then environmental geography. It is related to the environmental science. It is the realization of environmental problems such as land degradation, pollution, concerns for conservation. This has due to the global warming and ozone layer depletion. This science and this environmental geography has become very important in modern times. Branches of geography. So in this we this is a chart which shows these are the branches of the geography, and these are the subjects in the outer layer. These are the subjects to which they are closely related. So geomorphology is related to geology, which is study of earth forms and land. जो बायोजियोग्राफी है वो बायोलॉजी के वेरी क्लोजली रिलेटेड है. देन पेडोलॉजी सोइल जियोग्राफी जिसको हम बोलते हैं, इसके लिए एक सेपरेट सब्जेक्ट है जिसको हम पेडोलॉजी बोलते हैं. पॉलिटिकल जियोग्राफी जो है वो रिलेटेड है पॉलिटिकल साइंस के साथ. देन कल्चरल जियोग्राफी, इट इज़ रिलेटेड टू एंथ्रोपोलॉजी. हिस्टोरिकल जियोग्राफी, हिस्ट्री. इकोनॉमिक जियोग्राफी, इकोनॉमिक्स. सोशल जियोग्राफी सोशोलॉजी के पास रहती है, देन सब्जेक्ट में पढ़ी जाती है. देन मैथमेटिकल जियोग्राफी, एस्ट्रोनॉमी एंड मैथमेटिक्स से रिलेटेड है ये. देन क्लाइमेटोलॉजी, इट इज़ मोर रिलेटेड टू मेट्रोलॉजी एज ए सब्जेक्ट. देन ऑन बेसिस ऑफ रीजनल अप्रोच, जो हमारे पास सेकंड अप्रोच थी जो कार्ल रिटर ने दी थी, उसकी बेसिस पे हमारी जो जियोग्राफी की हम स्टडी है वो चार मेन इसमें करते हैं. फर्स्ट इज़ रीजनल स्टडीज़ एंड एरिया स्टडीज़ कंप्राइजिंग ऑफ माइक्रो बड़े एरियाज, मीज़ो थोड़ा स्मॉल एरिया, एंड माइक्रो बहुत ही स्मॉल एरियाज़ में हम जो रीजनल स्टडीज़ करते हैं. देन रीजनल प्लानिंग कंप्रोमाइजिंग ऑफ कंट्री और रूरल एंड टाउन एंड अर्बन प्लानिंग. रीजनल डेवलपमेंट, उन छोटे एरियाज़ की रीजनल डेवलपमेंट देखते हैं. एंड रीजनल एनालिसिस, डाटा कलेक्शन से या हमारे पास जो डेटा आता है, जो हमारे पास सोर्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन है, उससे हम एनालिसिस करेंगे कि उस एरिया में क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हैं या क्या क्या एस्पेक्ट्स हैं. देयर आर टू एस्पेक्ट्स विच इज़ कॉमन टू एवरी डिसिप्लिन एंड दीज आर. हर एक डिसिप्लिन में दो ये होते हैं, कंसेप्ट होते हैं. एक फ़िलासफ़ी होती है और दूसरी होती है हमारे पास मेथड एंड टेक्निक्स. इन फ़िलासफ़ी में हमारे ज्योग्राफी में आ जाता है जियोग्राफिकल थॉट्स विच हैज़ बी, जैसे हमारे जो वेरियस जियोग्राफर्स हैं उन्होंने कुछ थ्योरीज दी हैं. दैट इज़ कंप्राइज्ड ऑफ फिलॉसफी, जो मतलब उन्होंने बताया है कि पहले अर्थ राउंड है, देन लैंड फॉर्म्स जो हैं वो ऐसे बने थे. तो दैट इज़ जियोग्राफिकल थॉट. देन लैंड एंड ह्यूमन इंटरेक्शन एंड ह्यूमन इकोलॉजी, ये सब फिलॉसफी का पार्ट है. देन मेथड्स एंड टेक्निक्स, उसमें हमारे पास कार्टोग्राफी आ जाती है जिसमें हमारे पास मैप मेकिंग होती है. आजकल कंप्यूटर कार्टोग्राफी यूज़ की जाती है. देन क्वान्टिटेटिव टेक्निक्स एंड स्टैटिकल टेक्निक्स, जो हमारे पास डाटा आता है उसकी हम मीन, मोड एंड अदर चीज़ उसका एनालिसिस करते हैं. देन फील्ड सर्वे मेथड, इट इज़ द इम्पॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ जियोग्राफी. हम जो डेटा कलेक्ट करते हैं वो हम फील्ड सर्विस से करते हैं. देन जियो इन्फॉर्मेटिक्स, GIS, LIS लैंड इंफॉर्मेटिक्स सिस्टम एंड GPS से भी हम डेटा कलेक्शन करते हैं. So students, from this we learn that geography is a very vast subject and it is related to many natural sciences and social sciences, and a discipline which studies earth as a whole. So geography is also called as mother of all sciences because it has taken something from every other science related to the study of earth. Thank you students.